Welcome. In this video I will show you how to show battery percentage in status bar on Motorola Moto G10. To enable battery percentage, you have to open settings on your smartphone, and in settings find and open battery menu. Here in battery menu you just have to switch this toggle to the right, and it will show the battery percentage right next to your battery icon in the status bar. And you can always disable it in the same way. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.